Today we will see about what is this SDMA. SDMA is nothing but space division multiple access. Space division multiple access, that is the full form of SDMA. Why it is used? It is used for allocation of a separate space to users in your wireless network. अब देखो आपको एक लाइन मिली हुई है कम्युनिकेशन के लिए और वो एक लाइन हर कोई अगर यूज करेगा for performing their communication on same time, it will be very difficult because हर कोई अगर आपने किसी को क्वेश्चन किया है और हर कोई एक साथ आंसर करते हैं तो किसी की आवाज समझ में नहीं आती है and there is a disturbance that you also cannot listen what person is speaking, and that person is also not able to deliver what he wants to say. So in that sense, spaces will be given. You will separate, you will allocate a separate space, that this is your space. When a space is given to you, in that space only you have to communicate. That will be nothing but space allocation. Yesterday also we have discussed the example in which we were discussing about roads, that on the roads you have various vehicles running simultaneously, but they are separated by spaces. They are separated by spaces. Each maintain a distance, and in distance they try to have their communicate, try to have their like traveling. So that is about your space division multiple access. A typical application that is involved a optimal base station to a mobile phone user, that whenever you do a call, it will be directed to your base station, and then base station uh, checks it out who you want to connect to, who you want to communicate with, and then your call will be connected to that particular user. That is the optimal solution, that whenever you do a call to a friend, it will go to your base station. Base station will checks everything and then redirect it to the person who you want to communicate with. Next is mobile phone may receive several base stations with your different quality. MAC algorithm could now decide which base station is best, taking into account which frequencies, which time slots you are giving them, which codes you are using, and that they are available. That will be available. Typically, SDMA it is never used in isolation. This is the main point that you have to remember, that space division multiple access, they are not used alone. They are always used in combination with other schemes, like we have your frequencies division multiple access, time division multiple access, and port division multiple access. जैसे हम अभी स्पेस देख रहे हैं, स्पेस डिविजन मल्टीपल एक्सेस देख रहे हैं, उस तरीके से हम FDMA, CDMA and SDMA and BDMA also we will be looking. So the basis for this algorithm, it is formed by cells and sectorized antennas. We have seen what is a cell. Cell is nothing but an area in which communication is going on. Base station is there, and base station का जितना area होता है, that is nothing but your cell area. And sectorized antennas, they are sectorized. uh, Different antennas, they are combined on one pole. Combination of different antennas, they are covering up your sectorized antenna, which will constitute your infrastructure implementing your space division multiple access. This is about your space division multiple access that we have seen. Next, we will see about TDMA, that is time division multiple access. This is also one of the important thing. देखो, एक time दिया हुआ है, जैसे lectures का, lectures times they are fixed, that within one lecture, within 9:30 to 10:30, you have one lecture. Then another lecture starts with your 10:30 to 11:30. हर किसी का टाइम अलॉट किया गया है. क्यों टाइम अलॉट किया गया है? हर कोई थोड़ी ना एक टाइम पे आपके लेक्चर्स देख सकेगा. There is a dedicated line which is given, and within that time frame it is fixed. It is fixed within that time frame. Only that lecture can only run. So same goes for your communication also, because frequency is they are limited resources. They should be used in different time domain. जैसे आप चैनल देखते हो, कोई भी चैनल आप वॉच करते हो, यू हैव अ टाइम स्लॉट. एक कोई भी सीरीज देख रहे हो, कोई भी एपिसोड देख रहे हो, दे हैव बीन अलॉटेड एट टाइम स्लॉट. कोई भी प्रोग्राम देखोगे तो प्रोग्राम का, जैसे केबीसी देख रहे हो आप, it has given a time that it will start at so and so time. जो भी टाइम पे स्टार्ट होता है वो फिक्स टाइम है. वो टाइम पे कुछ और रन नहीं हो सकता है. That time is only dedicated for that particular program. So with in that time domain, that program will only run. That is your time division multiple access. It will offer a much more flexible scheme which comprises all technologies that allocate certain time slot for communication. Now, tuning into certain frequency is not necessary. The receiver can stay at same frequency the whole time, using only one frequency and thus very simple receivers and transmitters. क्योंकि इसमें आप एक ही फ्रीक्वेंसीज यूज करोगे. लाइक एक फ्रीक्वेंसी है, एक टाइम दिया है हमने एक पर्टिकुलर यूजर को, लाइक दिस ओनली वन यूजर नंबर 1 कैन यूज इट, देन यूजर नंबर 2 कैन यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम डोमेन, देन यूजर नंबर 3 कैन यूज इट. सो ये टाइम दिया हुआ है, एक ही फ्रीक्वेंसीज है, and it is distributed to three different users within three different time domain. They are using it. So simple receivers and transmitters are there in your TDMA. That is time division multiple access. Listening to different frequencies at the same time, it is very difficult. एक टाइम पे आप एक ही जन को सुन सकते हो. हमारी भी टेंडेंसी ये that we can only listen to only one person at one time. So same goes for your frequencies also, because even though they can receive communication from different domain, but it will interfere in communication. That communication will interfere, and it will not be a smooth communication. So listening to different frequencies at the same time, it will be difficult, but listening to many channels separated in time at the same frequency, it is very simple. Like the example, आपके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चैनल्स, हर चैनल पे अलग अलग टाइम पे अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स आते हैं. पॉसिबल है, हर कोई शो होते रहते हैं, लेकिन आपको जो देखना है आप एक ही देख सकते हैं, एक टाइम पे आप एक ही देख सकते हो. लेकिन हर चैनल पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स सेम टाइम पे चल सकते हैं. सेम एग्जांपल इज गिवन हियर. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल मैक स्कीम्स, मैक मींस message allocation code. MAC schemes for wired network work according to this principle. That is Ethernet, token ring, ATM, etc. They all follow this kind of time domain frequencies, time domain multiple access scheme. In addition to this TDMA, you have fixed TDM also. The simplest algorithm which is used for TDM is allocating time slots for channels in a fixed pattern. जैसे कि आप अगर टीवी देख रहे हो अभी, लाइक जो भी लाइक वट एवर टाइम यू आर वॉचिंग, एक प्रोग्राम अगर देख रहे हो 12:30 to 1 PM को, 12:30 to 1 PM इट विल बी रनिंग. आप अगर लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग भी देखते हो तो प्रोग्राम का आपको दिखता है दैट दिस टाइम स्लॉट इज डेडिकेटेड फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम. दिस 1 PM पे ये वाला प्रोग्राम आएगा, 1:30 पे कुछ और प्रोग्राम आएगा आपका. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइम डोमेन पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स आर अवेलेबल. So it is possible for allocating in one frequency. You can allocate different time slots, and different program can run on same frequency band. This results in fixed bandwidth, and it is typical solution for your wireless mobile phone system. Figure will show you how these fixed TDM patterns are used to implement multiple access and a duplex channel between a base station and a mobile station. We'll see through a diagram. As you can see in this diagram, this is the diagram for your time division multiple access. देखो यहाँ पे एक चैनल है और उसमें डिविजन्स हुए हैं. एक चैनल है, डिविजन्स हुए हैं, टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग डिविजन्स हुए हैं, टाइम के साथ डिविजन्स हुए हैं. यू कैन सी हियर वन पहला अलोकेट हुआ है, फर्स्ट टाइम that will be dedicated for one user. Second time is dedicated for another user, and so on. All the it is used, and each channel they have this 417 milliseconds timing has been given to them for performing their communication. This you can see, this is a downlink. This is a downlink. Downlink means बेस स्टेशन से जैसे कि आपका बेस स्टेशन है, देखो आप मोबाइल फोन है ये, और ये है आपका बेस स्टेशन. मोबाइल फोन से जो भी कम्युनिकेशन करते हो, सबसे पहले आपका कम्युनिकेशन जाता है बेस स्टेशन पे. व्हेन यू आर अपलोडिंग, जब आप अपलोड करते हो, जैसे आप नॉर्मली अपलोड करते हो कुछ डेटा, अगर अपलोड कर रहे हो इंटरनेट पे, same is the definition for your uplink. Uploading some data from your mobile phone to your base station, it is known as uplinking. And when you download some data from your base station to your mobile station, it will be called as downlink. It will be called as downlink. and it is separated in a different time domain. That is why access पे T दिख रहा है हमको. T is showing you the time. Up to 12 different mobile stations can use same frequency without interference using this scheme. Each connection is allotted its own up and downlink pairs. Uplink and downlink, they are separated in time domains. The base station uses one of 12 stations for downlink, whereas mobile station uses one of 12 different slots for your uplinking. This is showing you the fixed TDM patterns to implement multiple access and a duplex channel between a base station and a mobile station. Assigning different slots for uplinking and downlinking using the same frequency is called time division duplex. This is about your time division multiple access. Download the definition is quite important here about your downlinking and uplinking, where you upload, जब भी आप upload करते हो data from your mobile phone to your base station, that will be calling as your uplinking. And downloading, when you download some data from your base station to your mobile station, that will be called as downlinking. The arrows are also showing you that how data has been downloaded as well as uploaded with the help of your base stations and mobile station. This is all about your TDMA scheme.